My dear Igbo brother and sister, how are you? I just want to have a conversation with you. Oh, the way it's going to be a one-sided conversation. I see many of you most times talk about the fact that you are hated all over Nigeria, that you are the tribe that is most hated. And I said to you, why not? Why shouldn't you be the tribe that is most hated? You have to understand something. The hatred or anger or annoyance or whatever it is that people exhibit towards you, it's not personal. It's not to you as the person that you are. It is more or less what is it that you represent. And what is it that you represent? You represent success. You represent can-do spirit. You represent never give up spirit. You represent audacity, or that an audacious spirit that we dare, that we go, that we succeed even when everybody is seeing failure. Then how do you expect that you will not be hated? So the thing that you should focus on is not to bother about whether people are hating you or not hating you. That's their business. That's not your business. Your business is to keep shining and keep doing what you're doing. Your business is to continue to be audacious. Your business is to continue to dare. Your business is to continue to achieve and have achievements. And, be in your face kind of people and just keep going. Your business is to see where other people are seeing failure and you see success and you put in the work and you're not afraid to put in the work and you go in there and put in the work and you get your failure. Of course, they will hate you. Did you think they will like you before? Do you think they're going to bring roses and give you roses? No. Because in what you're doing, where they have given, where a lot of people give up and do not try and do not persevere and do not continue, you dare to. You go on, you persevere, you prove everybody wrong. When they say that certain things will not succeed, you make them succeed. Then how do you think that you will not be hated? Come on. You can't have it all. You can't have being successful, being audacious, being daring, being an achiever, and then you want to have love. That's not possible. Why are you bothered? Let me give you an example. I'm an Edo woman. And if you know what Edo woman means, if you're not married, just say to your parents, whatever tribe you are, now this message is for whoever you are, whatever tribe. Tell your parents that you want to marry an Edo woman. See what they are going to see. Do you think I go about caring why people feel that Edo women are like that? No, I don't. I know the thing. Any Edo woman you see, they fear face. You do anyhow, you see anyhow. We're very loud. We're out there. We know they carry last anywhere we go. And of course, there are some people who don't like us. Is that our problem? Heck no. It's not our problem. It's their problem who do not like us. So it's the same thing with you also. Let me give you another example. Do you know around Nigeria, if you look around Africa, if you go around Africa, when they talk about Nigerians, a lot of people don't like Nigerians. Why? Because we are in your face kind of people. We are audacious, we are daring, we are out there. Where the other Africans are acting timid, we are bold, we are in your face, we come out with. So, of course, they don't like us. Should we care that they don't like us? Nah. We're not going to limit ourselves because they don't like us. So that's the truth. That's the true thing about life. The moment you're succeeding, people will not like you. It's not really personal. One of the things that have come to associate with it, that it's not personal. It's what you represent. So because if you now turn to be like them and no longer be successful and no longer have that audacity and no longer dare and no longer go for things, set big goals and achieve them, they will not love you. Meanwhile, you won't have the other ones who love help. Who love help. So forget about those things. But one of the things I want to say to you, and which is the reason why I'm doing this, is to say to you that your greatest enemies are not even the people who are saying that they don't like you, or people who are showing you their hatred or any of those things. Your greatest enemies are the people, are your brothers and sisters, who tell you that you should not dare in your own country, who tell you that you should cower in your own country, who tell you that you should accept being in a third-class position or inferior citizens or second-class citizens. Those are your true enemies. You might have the same thing in common, but in truth, that mind is not there. And so these are the people that will talk to you and talk you down and tell you not to do certain things. Oh, behaving, be okay with second position, be okay with third position. Where did that come out from? Where is the Okonko spirit in you? Your chi did not assign you to be a second-class citizen in any country. And neither will Nigeria be that country that you will be that second-class citizen. Let me tell you something. No Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian. And you have a right to this country. You have a right to vote and be voted for. You have a right to support a candidate. You have a right to have one of you be president. The same way every one of us have a right for any one of us to be president. So don't allow anybody to gaslight you. Don't allow anybody to tell you all sorts of things. Don't allow anybody to tell you that you should not dare. You should dare, and you continue to dare. And you continue to win. What do you need love for? The most important thing is for you to love yourself. And that's all that matters. As an Edo woman, I don't care whether you like me or not. Sorry, I'm not responsible for that. I'm responsible for living the best of my life and enjoying myself and doing me. As long as I'm not disrespecting you, you shouldn't disrespect me. And that's it. If you don't like me, who like Ep? If you don't love me, who love Ep? Let me live my own best version. Most importantly, I will say to you, do not allow yourself to be disrespected in this country. Do not allow yourself to be marginalized. Stand your ground. And whoever it is that doesn't like you or they say you're too loud, they should wear earplugs. Thank you and bye-bye.